And Bruce, that wraps up a big Monday night in sport.
Surely was, Brent. Thank you very much for that. We'll have your full weather details for you after the break. With news, there's a sprinkle of rain due for tomorrow. Tasmania, let's take a look at your weather now. A mixture of high, mid and low-level cloud and rain has persisted across the state this afternoon. Taking a look at those details, King Island collected just under 5 mils of rain from 9 until 5 today, a low of -1 for Flinders. Smithton, Wynyard, Burnie and Devonport all topped out at 12 degrees. King William Creek received the most rainfall overnight with 13 mils into the gauge and up to 19 mils throughout the day until 5 p.m. Winds gusted up to 48 kilometres an hour at Oatlands this afternoon, and the mercury reached 9 degrees at Hobart. To the satellite now, and a cold front over Tasmania will move away to the east tonight while an associated low passes to the south. The low will then track to the east later tomorrow. We can see that on the synoptic, while a ridge of high pressure approaches from the west. To the waters now, and in the northwesterly winds up to 30 knots tomorrow with 3 metre seas. For the east seas, we'll be up to 3 metres on a southerly swell, also up to 3 metres. The south will have winds up to 35 knots with a southwesterly swell up to 6 metres. And in the west, seas will be up to 3 metres on a southwesterly swell up to 6 metres. Now, there is a gale warning current for southeastern coastal waters from the Tasman Island to the southeast Cape for westerly winds. A strong wind warning has been issued for remaining coastal waters except for the upper east coast. And a minor flood warning is current for the River Derwent, along with a flood watch for the Huon River. Let's take a look at some forecasts for tomorrow. Showers about for the west and south, extending statewide during the afternoon, mostly contracting to the northwest later in the evening. Possible hail about for the west and south as well. Snow is expected to fall to around 800 metres in the south. And winds will be west to southwesterly before turning southerly in the evening and fresh to strong about the coast. Interstate tomorrow. Mostly sunny for Darwin, a shower or two over Melbourne. Sydney seeing 16 degrees and cloudy conditions once again in Victoria. Looking back at detail in Tasmania, along the northwest coast, we should see the temperatures up towards the mid-teens, which will be quite nice. A partly cloudy conditions with winds easing. For Launceston tomorrow, much the same with early frost about for both Wednesday as well into Thursday. We're going to see those minus temperatures both Wednesday and Thursday night. For Hobart, partly cloudy also with showers clearing from midweek. The temperatures getting up towards the high teens towards the end of the week. And that is how we saw your news. Thanks very much for your company this Monday, August 20. We're looking forward to seeing you tomorrow night from 6. Now, Brent Costelloe will join you throughout the evening and tomorrow with news updates, but I'm looking forward to your company again tomorrow night.